The 2016 election cycle was the most dramatic of my entire career. I have been writing political commentary for decades, and I'd never seen anything like it. It was surprising and confounding, and from its beginning to its end, I saw America take one of its big turns. I saw the rise of Bernie Sanders and Donald Trump and the fall of the House of Clinton. And wherever I went, I just loved talking to people. In libraries and diners, in airports and just on the street. Because Americans will always surprise you. Americans don't want to be treated like some demographically determined sliver. That's not who we are. Americans love to play against type. They don't even think they have a type. In 2016, I saw America acting up and acting out and making its big decision and living with the result. And in the end, the thing about Americans is, if they're not happy with their choice, within just a few years, they're going to throw that guy out. They're going to keep trying until they get happy. I'm a lucky writer that I get to share my thoughts on things like that. My name is Peggy Noonan, and I'm an opinion columnist for the Wall Street Journal.